Hi, good day. My name is Ian Iqbal, a butcher here in Mati City, Philippines. Today, I will show you the 5 standard cuts of the whole dressed chicken. But before I proceed to cuttings, let me show you on how to sharpen my knife using my boning steel in 45 degrees angle. And now, let's proceed to cuttings. And these are the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken. So let's start with the wings, the drumstick, the thigh part, the breast, and last is the backbone. That would be all. Thank you.